Now comes the fun part, and that is using the drill. So we now have the small garden tower that Marissa cut and Cindy sewed, and now I'm going to drill because I have the strongest muscles of the group. Was that funny? Okay, so here's the garden tower. You can see it is now about 2 feet tall. And so what we're going to do is drill the holes in here so that it makes holes for you to use for your garden tower on the side, and then you can also plant on the top. All right, so we're going to get started. What I like to do is I like to lay the sewn side face down towards me. I don't know why, it's just my preference, but it's a way for me to remember how to do this every time, okay? And we're going to make sure it's spread out, and then we are going to fold it into thirds like this and thirds like this. And you don't want it to be all bent underneath. So you want to try and get it as smooth as possible. And then what you'll have is 6 layers, okay? Now, what we want to do with this is we want to make sure that we can have 40 plants in here. So that means that we need to have at least 30 holes. So we've got 6 layers, and now what we're going to do is we're going to drill 5 holes across this, and this is how we're going to do it. First, we're going to fold this over so that we find the center point, and you push down on it, and now we've got a center point, okay? And then, once we have that center point, we're going to drill 2 more holes in the center here, and that will make 5. So 1, 2, 3, and it will be on the other side as well. So we're going to take the drill, and right here, we're just going to drill until we can see the cutting board. And you'll have all these fun little plastic round things, okay? And then we're going to drill about 3 inches apart. You just want to space it, right? You just want them to be spaced evenly. Okay, and then we're going to open it up and we're going to drill right in the center. Okay, now, ta-da! Now you can see that there are holes all over the garden tower, and there's 30 holes, and then you can also plant plants on top. So this is particularly good if you're doing lettuce, herbs, some strawberries around the bottom, things like that. Some of the smaller plants, the small garden tower is perfect for that. We're excited because now you get to go and build it.